Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to easily enable or disable the landscape or rotate mode within the YouTube app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or a later version. This feature allows you to view YouTube videos in a wider, more immersive format. So, let's get started. First, locate and launch the YouTube app on your iPhone. Once you're on the YouTube home screen, tap on your profile icon. You'll find this in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your profile page and tap on it. This will take you to the YouTube app settings menu. Within the settings menu, scroll down under the Account section and tap on General. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Rotate Screen. Here you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Tapping this switch will either enable or disable the landscape mode. When the switch is turned on, the YouTube app will automatically switch to landscape view when you rotate your iPhone horizontally, provided that your iPhone's portrait orientation lock is disabled. If your portrait lock is on, the video will remain in portrait mode, regardless of this setting. Note that you can easily reconfigure this setting at any time by following these same steps to navigate back to your YouTube account's general settings menu. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to enable or disable the landscape mode for the YouTube app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.